Hello. Okay, so PX01, we need to replace the motherboard for the island. So first we need to get the chimney off. So the lower section, one should slide up, and then you can pull it apart from the other one. And then the top, there's a screw that holds it up on either side, and then that will also slide off. And then once we have that down, then we'll have the motherboard box exposed. So first we'll get the chimney up and off, the bottom piece and top piece, and then we'll make the next video for the motherboard.